In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't install Uber driver app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app but you are unable because of this or any other related error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To fix this, first you need to go back and open Play Store, log in with your Gmail to download your app. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then tap on your Gmail profile icon here and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences, and tap on it and look for app download preference. As you can see here, it is currently set to over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network and okay. Now turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi to download your app. But should this not work, then most likely the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by going to settings. From settings, go down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, tap on it, and then go to force stop, okay, and go to clear data and clear cache, okay. Now restart your smartphone, and if you go to Play Store, search for your app, and now if I search for Uber driver and run it, now I should be able to install the app. I'll tap on install. This will download the latest version of Uber driver app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here or go to your apps, and here it is, and start using it. However, if you still can't install the app at this point, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall it, and also free up space if you don't have enough space on your phone to install Uber driver app. So let me know which of these worked for you. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.